Hello students, today we will learn about properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Here line P and Q are parallel to each other. And line M is transversal of line P and Q. Let's see how many angles are formed when parallel lines P and Q are cut by a transversal line M. So, this is angle 1, this is 2, this is third angle and fourth angle. Same way here, fifth angle, sixth angle, seventh angle, and eighth angle. So we can say that when parallel lines P and Q cut by a transversal M, then 8 angles are formed. Now we will learn about the first property of forming the angles when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. First property says that vertically opposite angles are equal. Here you can see that angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. It means that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. And here angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. It means that angle 2 is also equal to 4. Now here you can see that angle 5 and angle 7 both are vertically opposite angles. So we can write here angle 5 is equal to angle 7, and here angle 6 and angle 8 are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle 6 is equal to angle 8. So again, first property says that vertically opposite angles are equal. They are always same. So here angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, and angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Second property says that pairs of interior alternate angles are equal. Here, first we need to learn about the meaning of interior angles. Here we can see the distance between P and Q is the interior part of parallel line P and Q. So we can say that angles 2, 5, 3 and 8 lies in the interior part of line P and Q. So angle 2, 5, 8 and 3 are called interior angles. Now the property says that pairs of interior alternate angles are equal. So here if we take 2, the interior alternate angle of 2 is 8. So we can write here angle 2 is equal to 8. Angle 8. So angle 2 and angle 8 are interior alternate angles, and angle 3 and angle 5 are also interior alternate angles, and they are equal. Here angle 2 is equal to angle 8 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Third property says that pairs of exterior alternate angles are equal. So here first we need to learn about the exterior angles. Here you can see that angle 1, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 7 are exterior angles as they are lying in the exterior part of parallel line P and Q. So now, which are exterior alternate angles? So we can say that angle 1 and angle 7 are exterior alternate angles, and angle 4 and angle 6 are exterior alternate angles. As angle 1 and angle 7 are exterior alternate angles, it means they both are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 7, as they are exterior alternate angles, and angle 4 and angle 6 are equal, as they both are exterior alternate angles. Fourth property says that pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Here first we need to understand about corresponding angles. As you can see that this side of the transversal is having angle 1 and angle 5 corresponding angles, and angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. So we can say that angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. It means both are equal. So we'll write angle 1 is equal to angle 5. And same way, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. So we can write angle 2 and is equal to angle 6. If we look at this side of the transversal, we can say that angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So we can write angle 4 is equal to angle 8. And we can see here angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. So we can write angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Fifth property says that the sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degree. Here we can see that angle 2 and angle 5 are the interior angles on the same side of a transversal. As angle 2 and angle 5 are the interior angles on the same side of a transversal, it means that the sum of angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. And on this side of the transversal, we can see that angle 3 and angle 8 are also interior angles, and they are also on the same side. So we can write that angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. So here angle 2 and angle 5 are the angles on the same side of a transversal. So the sum of angle 2 and 5 is 180 degree, and angle 3 and angle 8 are also the other side, but the same side of the transversal. Then we can say that angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. Sixth property says that the sum of exterior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So here you can see angle 1 and angle 6. These both angles are exterior angles on the same side of a transversal. It means that angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. While on the other side we can say that angle 4 and angle 7, they are exterior angles on the same side of a transversal. It means that angle 4 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. So this way we can understand the formation of the angles with the help of two parallel lines and the transversal